Hi everyone! We're at the Center of Excellence in Modeling and Simulations for the Next Generation Pods, in short, C4NGP. And with me here, I have Hongdan, Licheng and Shuning, who are going to explain more about this space, the cutting-edge research in this dynamic environment. So could you all share a bit more about yourselves?
Okay, so hi everyone, my name is Hongdan.
My name is Licheng, and we are both alumni for the Industrial and Systems Engineering program, and now we are working as full-time teaching assistant for the department.
Hi, I'm also an alumni from Industrial and System Engineering program. Now I'm working as a research engineer in C4NGP.
So let's start with getting to know more about this space. Could you tell us more about this center?
Yes, our research center is established way back in 2018, and our mission is to apply and advance the research in port logistics and maritime systems through cutting-edge technologies such as simulation, optimization, AI, and digital twin.
Wow.
And we hope through our innovation and technology, we could help Singapore to maintain its position as a global maritime hub.
Wow, I see some very interesting visualizations. So could you tell us a bit more about your project and what is the impact it has in real life?
Sure, no problem. So as port advances to the next generation, many challenges arise, such as port design, modeling, yard planning, and AGV scheduling. So one of our main projects is the Mega Container Port Design, in which we build a digital twin. So what's a digital twin? It's a virtual replica of a physical system. So we built a digital twin for one of the fingers in transport. Then using this model, we were able to test more than 30 different design variations. Then we analyzed the layouts, the traffic flows, the resource utilization, the equipment handling, so on and so forth, to identify what is the most efficient and highest throughput configuration. And this is how our digital twin looks like.
Wow, that looks very fascinating.
Thank you.
Wow, that looks very interesting. Is that the VR equipment?
Yes.
Wow, so could you tell us more about how it's used for training simulations?
Sure. So after we build our models, we need a way to visualize our simulation results, and VR is one of the options. By using VR, we can provide the user with an immersive and interactive environment for them to observe the system behavior, interpret the workflows, and lastly, identify potential bottlenecks for future improvements and optimizations. Over here, we have a sample project developed using FlexSim, a simulation software with inbuilt VR functionalities. Here we have a warehouse 3D models, and let's have Hongdan to demonstrate the VR experience. So in the VR view, we can see the goods arriving and being sent to the warehouse. And now let's move into the warehouse. So within the warehouse, we can see the goods being organized and put onto the racks. And lastly, this good will be sent out of the warehouse for transportation. We can see the outbound area with the trucks. And thank you Hongdan for the demonstration.
So before we wrap up this entire thing, maybe we can ask you to share more about how the students involved in the Industrial and Systems Engineering program can be more connected and involved in this center, and maybe you have opportunities to be part of the ongoing research.
Yes, there are plenty of ways where ICM undergraduate students can be involved in our research center. So firstly is through their coursework. So for courses such as simulation, programming courses that involve object-oriented programming, statistics, linear programming, they're all foundational skills that is directly applicable to our research work. So when they are doing their course project or their final year system design project, they can approach us for real-world example cases, problem cases, and what we can do is to provide them with industry-related topics and maybe some cutting-edge software license and technical support for them to better develop their ideas. And secondly, apart from coursework, they can join us as an intern or as part-time researchers. So through this experience, they will directly apply what they learn in classroom into real-world project, and then they can work alongside with our research staffs and gain exposure in industry experience, try to network with our industrial partners, and that would be a good experience. And last but not least, if students are interested in research career, us is always a good stepping stone. Yeah, so whether they are looking for applied knowledge directly, gain industrial experience, or trying to further their research career, they can always come and find us. Yes, join us.
So we've come to the end of our virtual tour, and I just want to say thank you so much for having that very insightful conversation with us. It's really great to see that we are shaping the future for the world of logistics and ports, and to have all these innovative minds work together on projects. So yes, we've come to the end of the virtual tour right now. Bye bye.